we're gonna see two Brolys fused into one? That is so interesting. Let's see how this pans out. Let's get started. Alright. You probably want to know why I'm asking, what you're asking. What fusion of Broly we're going to draw tonight? Well, I'm proud you asked. Tonight, we're going to draw the fusion from... we're going to draw the fusion of Broly from Dragon Ball Z Kai. And the new form of Broly... And the new Broly from Dragon Ball Super, the movie. This episode, we'll be drawing two legendary Super Saiyans fused into one. What can I say? Everybody loves the power of the legendary Super Saiyan. The legendary Super Saiyan is one of the strongest and one of the rarest species of the Saiyan race. Instead of yellow hair when it turns Super Saiyan, they become green hair. Its hair is green instead of golden yellow. Whatever that means. Remember a new age? You know, Rydor's form. I'm going to draw that one day. And when I do, I'll show it to you guys. Here's his six-pack. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Hey there, all you heroes. Yeah, all you heroes. Show us what you got, yeah. Show us you got power. Hey there, all you heroes.
I have no idea why this line is sticking out.
Wherever you are, yeah. Wherever you are. It doesn't matter where you come from, 'cause we are a team. It doesn't matter what you can do. Show some bravery. It doesn't matter if we're different. That's what makes us great. When we're working with each other, we can save the day, yeah. Come on and join the Power Heroes. Come on and join the Power Heroes. 'Cause we all have got the power, we just gotta work together. Come on and join the Power Heroes. Come on and join the Power Heroes. Roll call! Catboy, Owlet, Gecko, Newton, Star, and then you. Woo! Ice Cub, Lily Faye, Bastet, and Armadillon too. Hey! So let's go Power Heroes. So let's go Power Heroes. It's time to save the day. It's time to save the day. Come on and join the Power Heroes. Come on and join the Power Heroes. 'Cause we all have got the power, we just gotta work together. Come on and join the Power Heroes. Come on and join the Power Heroes.
Broly's hair is really long and stands on end. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see tonight,
Broly's gauntlets are
either way.
big and
Balanced on a razor blade.
they have red
We
spots
are
instead of
designed
blue.
to love and break.
Just like
To
Broly's
rinse
arms.
and repeat it all
Golden braces.
again. I get stuck
Well,
when the
they're actually
road's too
arm brace.
loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away.
Here is Baw's
Make me feel
ear, or at least his pelt.
gone stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial.
Just gonna draw this part here. Here's Broly's pelt.
A thousand colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it
Here's
come
his shoes.
back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your
I
arms
just really love this song.
reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding
are.
magic in all the smallest things. You make me feel the way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart.
And there he is. That is how you draw the legendary Super Saiyan
You
Broly.
make me feel
Fused with the legendary Super Saiyan Broly. Now for some fun facts about him. Alexa, who is Broly?
Broly is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball media franchise.
Alexa, what is the legendary Super Saiyan?
A legendary Super Saiyan is an extremely powerful form of a Super Saiyan that only appears once every 1,000 years in a Saiyan. Yamoshi is an example of a legendary Super Saiyan.
Alexa, how many times did Broly appear in Dragon Ball?
Broly is a fictional character who appears in the 8th Dragon Ball Z movie, the 10th Dragon Ball Z movie, and the 11th Dragon Ball Z movie.
Alexa, when did Broly return in Dragon Ball Super?
Sorry, I'm having trouble accessing your Dragon Ball Super prediction/spoiler skill right now.
Alexa, why was Broly added to Dragon Ball Super?
Because Broly was not a part of the continuity established by the Dragon Ball franchise, Dragon Ball Super had the chance to give him a fresh new interpretation as the legendary Super Saiyan.
Alexa, can you tell me more about Dragon Ball Super Broly?
Dragon Ball Super Broly is a 2018 action film starring Masako Nozawa, Aya Hisakawa, and Ryo Horikawa. Goku and Vegeta encounter Broly, a Saiyan warrior unlike any fighter they've faced before. The film is 1 hour and 40 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 7.7 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 31,000 votes, and is rated PG.
I wonder what would happen if Broly fused with Bio Broly, his clone. That'd be interesting. I'm talking about Dragon Ball Z Kai Broly and Bio Broly. And, well, if Frieza were to come up with a way to clone Broly and create Bio Broly would have been a good friend to him. Anyway, that is how you draw a Super Saiyan Broly fusion. Broly fused with himself. Wow, it's like Zamasu all over again. Or Super Android 17. Now this Broly's worth something to look at. Be like Goku and Xenogoku should fuse. I saw it in a trailer once. Anyway, be sure to check out the Dragon Ball Super playlist, and be sure to check out all the Dragon Ball fusions that I've drawn up. That's all for now, guys. Good night.